Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a sales engineer here at UXV Technologies, and I'm going to introduce to you our SRoC, the Soldier Robotic Controller. It is a 7-inch Android-based ground control station with two 2-axis joysticks, one 5-dimensional button, 4 momentary push buttons on the front, 2 momentary push buttons on the rear, and 2 1-axis joysticks on the rear of the control. It also has 11 programmable bezel buttons. These can do tasks such as turn all the lights off for night vision mode, kill the power to the radio if you need to go radio silence. They are up to you to explore the full range of options that will work with your unmanned vehicle. The SRoC is built with the SRM Interface in the back. This allows for quick swapping of different radio modules. Here, I have an SRS micro hard. It works with radios from 25 different manufacturers, including the Persistent Systems MPU5, Trellisware, Silvus, Doodle Labs. Whatever it is, we can build the mechanical housing around it so you can dock it into the SRoC. The SRoC also has 2 swappable battery module ports on each side. These allow for hot swappability of the batteries and functionally unlimited battery life of the SRoC. We've taken all of the lessons we've learned from years of building customized ground control stations for clients in all different industries, in all different locations. Whether this is for your end user in a defense and security role, or you're a professional drone pilot, you can use this to feel comfortable and feel confident that your ground control station is going to enable you to get the full value from your unmanned system.